Hello students. In this video we are going to discuss about the introduction part of acid, bases and salts. We use the terms acids, bases and salts quite commonly in our daily life. For example, hydrochloric acid. It is present in the gastric juice secreted by the inner lining of stomach in a significant amount of 1.2 to 1.5 liter per day. It is essential for the digestive process. Acetic acid that is known to be a main constituent of vinegar that we are using at home in making pickles and in other ingredients, and the lemon which is citrus fruit having an acid called as citric acid, and the tamarind that having a acid which is called as tartaric acid. So these are the very common acids we come across in our daily life. Let us discuss the characteristic features of acids. Acids have a sour taste. That's why the citrus fruits that having the acids, we get a sour taste. Acids turns blue litmus to red. That is one of the identification tests to identify the acids and bases. It turns the blue litmus to red. Its pH value is below 7. That is when you look at the pH paper, that is the pH scale which is given here. Here, when the value of pH is less than 7, then it is called as acidic. If the pH value is greater than 7, then it is called as alkaline. And if it is equal to 7, then it is called as neutral. So the pH value of acids are below 7. It liberates dihydrogen in reacting with some metals. Let us see some of the examples of common acids that is we'll be using in the laboratory. That is a common laboratory acid. That is hydrochloric acid. Its formula is HCl. Nitric acid, its formula is HNO3. Sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. These are the acids which is common in the laboratory. Now let us discuss some of the general characteristics of bases. Bases having bitter taste and they have slippery feel. The pH value for bases is greater than 7. That means if we getting the pH value of a substance greater than 7, that means it can be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and even it can be within 14. If it is within 14, we can say that from greater than 7 pH value, then it is called as alkaline. It turns red litmus to indicate a blue. That means if the red litmus paper it turns to blue, it indicates the presence of bases. So these are the general characteristics of bases that is familiar to you. Let's see some of the examples of bases. The bases are quite common in the detergents, baking soda, drain cleaners, ammonia, soap and hand dish, antacids. These are the common examples of bases that we are using in our day-to-day life. Let us, when we do a comparative study, we can say that acids having sour taste, bases have bitter taste. The acids which react with some metals to liberate hydrogen gas. Bases have a feel slippery. And when we compare the pH value of solution is measure of H plus ion concentration in the solution on a scale that is from 0 to 14. pH value scale is from 0 to 14. And the pH value, if it is less than 7, then it is called as acidic. If it is more than 7, it is called as basic. If it is equal to 7, then it is a neutral. So this is the comparative study between the acids and bases. Salts. The salt is familiar to you. Commonly we are using the salt at home, that is a common salt. A salt is formed when an acid and the bases get react. That means a salt is found when an acid is neutralized by a base. A salt contains two parts, that is cation part, that is come from the bases, and non-metal part, that is anion, that comes from the acid. So when we take an example of a salt, that is common salt NaCl, that means it have a cation part and it have a anion part. The cation part is coming from the bases, that is NaOH, and the anion part is coming from the acid, that is HCl. So we are getting the salt NaCl when NaOH, that is a base, plus HCl, when it react, it give rise to the base NaCl. So in detail we'll be going to learn in the further videos. So these are the introduction part of acid, bases and salts. That is quite familiar to you. So in the next video we'll be discussing about the details of acids, bases and salt. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.